RAG is not enough in 2025, and here's exactly what replaced it. A few years ago, RAG changed everything. It connected large language models to real documents and data. But while AI evolved fast, RAG stayed static. Traditional RAG has serious limits. It blindly retrieves chunks, it can't plan steps, it doesn't decide when retrieval is needed, and it fails in complex workflows. That works for demos, not production systems. So in 2025, companies stopped asking, how do we retrieve data? They started asking, how should AI think before it acts? That's where Agentic AI comes in. Modern systems use Agentic RAG, where an agent understands the task, decides if retrieval is needed, chooses the right data, uses tools, then generates the response. RAG becomes just one step, not the brain. A real 2025 AI stack includes agents for reasoning vector databases, for semantic memory cache augmented generation, to cut costs. Graph-based workflows like LangGraph. This is how real AI products are built. For example, a support AI reads a ticket, checks conversation history, retrieves policies only if required, calls backend tools, and drafts a perfect reply. That's not just ChatGPT, that's an AI system. So remember this, RAG is not enough in 2025. What replaced it is Agentic AI, systems that think, decide, and act. If you're building AI products, this is the shift you can't ignore. Follow for more real-world GenAI content.